It finally happened, Mikelson family. I downed my first drone. It's out here. It's pretty rough and a little windy. And I had Aaron Pitta up there trying to catch it for the first time, and we downed the drone. Oh, the sad face. But it's okay. We brought a backup one, and hopefully we're not going to down this one. So this one's going to be a little bit harder to catch than the last one, though, but we'll figure it out. There's our beautiful 43 over there. Here goes nothing. All right. You guys see us in there?
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, it's Sam and Aaron with Mikelson Yachts, and today we have a very special treat for you. We have our man Ked right here with ZipZapPower.
What's up guys? How's everybody doing?
We'll put his link right here in the corner. I'm holding my microphone because it's a little windy. Yeah. But we're going out today. We're on the cockpit of this beautiful Mikelson 57, and if you can see right behind us, that's a Gen 2 2020 Mikelson 43 Zeus. So we're going out, we're gonna get some drone footage, get some content for
you guys.
for ZipZapPower, you guys. It's gonna be a great day. Thanks for watching. Stick around. You can see Nick's orange hair from here. Got some serious camera action today. Dueling vlogs. Heading upstairs. As always, we have Captain Paul Fecto at the helm.
How you doing, Sam?
Good. I haven't made a video on the 57 in a while, but we're still waiting on two 19-inch Simrad displays. One's gonna go right there. The other's gonna go where that 16 is, and then that 16 is gonna go down into the cockpit. But I'm excited, you guys. I haven't been able to put out content. The world's been ending because coronavirus and everything else that's been going on. So we're very excited to get out here, be able to make some videos for you guys. Hey guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me or not over the wind, but I'm up on the bow of this beautiful Generation 2 Mikelson 57, headed out to make a drone shot, and I just wanted to show you guys how safe and comfy I'm sitting in the bow pulpit. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, maybe I'll end up on Qualified Captain later. Somebody will get a video of me up here like, oh, look at this guy on the bow of his boat just risking his life, but I feel super safe up here. It's pretty flat. Paul's up there driving, hanging with Aaron. I have a Phantom 4. I've been flying it for years. You've seen all the drone videos that I've made for Mikelson. Always been on the same drone. I love that drone. It was a great drone. So anyways, it's pretty rough out here, and I send Nurse Aaron up there to go retrieve it off the bow. And my fault, the boat was still doing like 6 knots forward, trying to land the drone. It's soaking wet up there because it's like, we're in probably 2 to 3 foot wind chop right now off the point of San Diego. Soaking wet, slippery. Long story short, I'm bringing the drone in. Too much juice, slams into the enclosure, dives right over the side of the boat. But I think we got it on video, so if we did, I'll insert the clip right here. But
you got it, Aaron.
You got it.
Oh my. You okay?
Yeah, almost lost me too, but we're good.
You got it.
Got it on camera.
Hey, we got it on camera. That's all that matters, you guys. Oh, you hate to see it happen, but it's blowing and it's rough out here. That wasn't my finest landing job for sure. Oh, I'm sorry, but at least we got it on camera. Maybe it'll be cool for the vlog. Price of doing business, I think.
It is, yeah. It's the price of doing business. I've lost one off the coast of Marina Del Rey in the ocean, so I know the pain.
You want to put yours up? You guys, this has just been the craziest day ever. We're here with my buddy Ken, ZipZapPower. He risked life and limb.
Are you okay?
We
Yeah!
got it though. That's all that matters.
He busted his finger catching the drone.
Okay, so we got because the sensors.
How
or
bad
something?
is it?
I don't know because we have the sensors off. Oh, it's not bad at all. It's just that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're bleeding from elsewhere,
Oh.
maybe.
Yeah. What else got hit?
Yeah. Did I get both sides right? Yeah, I did get both sides.
Okay. The man, the myth, the legend right here.
Yeah,
The
what's
drone catcher of all catchers. Holy cow, you guys.
And we got the footage. That's all that matters.
Oh my gosh. We lost. So we went like pretty bad on the drones today. We're going to have to work on that.
That was teamwork.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
That was ultimate teamwork. Right?
Yeah.
I hate
Like landing
this.
a fish.
That was ultimate teamwork.
Joe didn't want to come in. We made it.
Absolutely crazy. Just another day in the life of Mikelson Yachts.
Because it said 16 minutes left on the battery.
Then it goes 1
And then
minute.
it goes 1 minute to landing.
Oh,
It's
no.
like, oh.
Okay, we're going for it.
Because I'm like, we're like,
Oh.
stuff. We're like, hey, what's that?
All right, well,
Okay, we got 15 minutes. We can Google this. 1 minute.
Yeah,
that was so crazy.
that's the second time.
Aaron,
I've
you
had
find
a
it?
drone where it stopped responding over the ocean. That's the second time. I almost lost one at Hollow. It stopped responding right like 3 feet off the edge of the water.
Wow.
Nothing? You guys, wild times out here, but we did get a little bit of drone footage. I'm bummed because I lost all my really good drone footage with the 57 and the 43, but hey man, it's the way she goes. That's what boating's all about. I'm just glad that everyone's safe. We got a little bit of drone footage. Sheesh, time for a cocktail. My nerves are shot after this one. But thank you guys for tuning in and more videos to come.